Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Neha. Today in our channel we are going to see a makeup beginner's kit. So I'm going to show you everything what you should include in your makeup kit at the starting stage. So while we are waiting, let's get started. So the first thing you have to include in your makeup kit is a moisturizer. So I'm using Nivea Soft. You can use any kind of your favorite. This is light moisturizer and vitamin E. So the first thing is moisturizer. This is very important to carry in your makeup bag. And the next one is inside 3-in-1 primer. So what primer does is it keeps your makeup long lasting and makes your makeup oil free. So if your skin is really oily, so you can go for a primer. So this is really worthy. So the second one is primer. And the third thing you have to include in your makeup kit is a foundation. This is 925 Lakme foundation. So this is weightless mouse foundation. You can have many shades in this, or you can go either for a BB cream. So what is the difference between these two is you can find many shades in this foundation, but you'll not get shades in the BB cream. So if you are fair, then only you can use a BB cream. So the third one is either foundation or a BB cream. And the fourth one is a compact powder. So I'm using Lakme 925 compact powder. So you can go either of your choice. This is flawless and matte complexion. It makes your skin really brighter and makes your foundation really set on your face. So this is the fourth thing you have to include. And the next one is a mascara. So this is Flash Falls Eye Effect mascara. This is from MAC. You can use any kind of mascara. So it has nice brush. So fifth one is mascara. And either you go for a liner. Next one is liner. This is a pencil eyeliner. This is from Lakme Absolute. Or you can use a MAC one. This is False Effect MAC. So next one is eyeliner. And the next thing you have to go for a kajal. You can find a nice kajal from Maybelline Colossal. So it will be long lasting and you will get a nice stick of this. So the next thing you have to include in your makeup kit is a eyeshadow palette. This is from Huda Beauty. You'll find 18 colors in this. So it comes with a nice mirror in it. So these are the 18 colors, the brighter colors. And you'll also get a brush in this to apply these colors on your eyes. And the next one is a blusher. This is a beauty blusher. You can use it as a blusher and a highlighter. This is from Swiss Beauty. I'm using right now. And the next one is a concealer. You can have any kind of concealer. So this is a tester. I found it in a general store because I want to try some concealer to according to my skin tone. So this is a concealer. What this concealer does is it covers your under eyes and black spots and your moles on your face and everything. So concealer is very important. And the next coming to the lipsticks. So this is from Lakme 925. This is weightless and matte mouse. You can apply this for lip and cheek also. So this is my favorite one. I'm obsessed with this. So this is in this shade. And the next one, you can go for anything. And the next one is from Lakme. And this is Lakme Enrich Matte Lipstick. This is WM10. So this is what I'm right now using on my lips. You can go for anything, and I had some other shades from Wet n Wild. Or and the very important is to give your lips a shape, you should use a lip liner. So this is from Wet n Wild. So anything you can use. The the main thing while choosing the lip liner is it should be very pigmented, means it should be long lasting. So this is the lip liner. And next you can have your favorite lip balms. You can use tinted one or the normal one. So I had like 4 to 5 lip balms. This is from Nivea Berry Shine, and I had lots of from Baby Lips. Sorry, this one also from Baby Lips. Okay, and the last one is for all to apply this. You can have a brushes set. So it is of 5 and it is from Orella. It costs like 150 rupees. So it comes with 5 brushes. And the next one is you can have any kind of sponges for to apply the foundation or set your makeup. So it comes of 2 pack. And the next one is a mirror. This is a handy mirror you can get in any general store or any kind of malls. So this is very important to check your makeup. So the next one is a mirror. So yeah, that's it. These are the things what you have to include in your makeup kit. So it is not like that I buy all this at a time. I had collected it. I had ordered like literally weekly ones or monthly ones, and I collected these items. I had many more to show you. So this is the beginners makeup kit. So thank you so much for watching this. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and like, share, and comment if you have any queries. So thank you so much for watching this. Have a nice day.